Counter-drone defense is evolving beyond fixed systems toward mobile, autonomous protection. Epirus, General Dynamics Land Systems, and Kodiak AI introduced the Leonidas Autonomous Ground Vehicle, AGV. This platform combines a high-power microwave system with autonomous mobility to address counter-unmanned aerial system missions and critical site defense. At the core is Epirus's Leonidas high-power microwave technology, integrated onto a commercial-grade truck. The vehicle is powered by Kodiak's artificial intelligence-driven autonomous system, enabling operation across structured highways and unstructured off-road terrain. General Dynamics Land Systems led system integration to ensure performance across multi-service environments. Going beyond mere detection, the system utilizes software-defined electromagnetic effects to disable individual drones and saturation swarms without relying on costly interceptors. This approach supports low collateral defense for infrastructure such as airports, ports, and military installations. Operators can switch between full autonomy and teleoperation, allowing dynamic repositioning and continuous coverage. The vehicle can deploy to intercept points or patrol perimeters to counter evolving threats, including fiber optic controlled drones. Together, the platform reflects a broader shift towards scalable, software-defined defense systems that prioritize mobility, efficiency, and reduced risk to personnel.